Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Binance wallet with Treasure Fun. We'll start by outlining the essential steps to ensure a smooth and secure integration. First, you'll prepare your Binance wallet, then navigate to Treasure Fun, and finally, establish the connection. This guide will help you understand each part of the process, ensuring your digital assets are managed effectively and safely within the platform. Let's get started. Before initiating the connection, it's crucial to prepare your Binance wallet. Make sure you have the necessary funds available for any intended transactions on Treasure Fun. Double-check your security settings, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your assets. You'll also need to easily access your wallet address, which is essential for linking. Be aware of any small network fees that might apply during the transfer process. Now, let's connect to Treasure Fun. Begin by logging into your Treasure Fun account and finding the dedicated Wallet Connection section, usually labeled Connect Wallet or similar. From the list of available options, choose Binance. You will then be prompted to input your Binance wallet information or scan a QR code. Carefully review all details before confirming the connection request, ensuring a secure and accurate link between the platforms. Once you've completed the connection steps, it's important to verify that your Binance wallet is successfully linked to Treasure Fun. Look for a confirmation message or check your balance within the Treasure Fun interface to ensure your assets are visible. Now you can explore all the features and opportunities Treasure Fun offers. Remember, you can always disconnect your wallet when you're finished, ensuring your assets remain secure and under your control.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.